Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it?
Good morning, everyone. It's Mike DeGioia here with the Affinity Legends of Wall Street Trading Room.
Yeah.
This is officially my birthday, and big welcome to everybody here. You've all gotten a big birthday gift from me. The market gapped up, and I'm going to start going through some stocks. Guys, my birthday gift is for all of you to be green and profitable today. Guys, I want to tell you, number one, our free pick, FCX, gapping up big to 673.
Okay.
35-cent gap up. All right, guys. So FCX, obviously this hits the gap criteria. It's gapping up above a prior resistance. I would look for it to settle back a little bit. And then if it breaks the 5-minute high, it could put in a trend day. So FCX is, in my opinion, a possible gap and go to $7. Guys, I'm going to use my, let's see, I already used my favorite color. I'm going to use my favorite color on my birthday, green. Nah, blue's my favorite color, but FCX, okay? Okay, possible gap and go, up, 5-minute high break. Okay, that's what I'm watching for FCX. There's a possibility of a check mark as well. I think that stock could be a short squeeze candidate. Next one is BBBY. Okay, BBBY is gapping down to Bed Bath & Beyond, going to 48.12. Okay. Little surprised by that one, but let's just keep an eye on it. Okay. That would normally be a gap and go down, BBBY. Gap and go down. Maybe fade. We'll just watch and see what that one does. Oh, they lowered their estimates. Okay, that explains it. Okay, ADMS. ADMS. Okay, that's a huge pharmaceutical gap up to 22. Looking at some resistance, 22 does look like some resistance. I don't know the nature of the deal, but a lot of times these deals will just make them go higher. The next level up on that would be 26 on ADMS. Personally, just from a climactic buy perspective and a great daily chart, okay, you got a doji yesterday or 2 days ago on the OIH. The OIH is gapping up to $26.50, $27 now. Usually the OIH will probably run to about $27.50 at the very least. Now I'm just going to check, oil as well. Oil tends, when it gaps up, tends to trend. USO, gap up, tends to trend. statistically, USO, when it gaps up, tends to continue to go up and close higher on the day. Same thing goes for statistically USO when it gaps down. If it gaps down, statistically, it tends to continue to go down for the day. Being as today we've gapped up, USO, should continue to go higher. So look for USO, on pullbacks.
There's inventory data at 10:30.
10:30, as usual, on a Wednesday. Wednesday at 10:30, inventory data. Okay. That's BBY. Let me see what else I got going on here. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much, I don't really see much beyond that. I like to just have one long and one short. BBY being my top of my short list. Guys, yeah, I mean, obviously Twitter, Twitter looks good on the chart. It's extended to the downside, and it's at extreme support. So extreme support on Twitter was $21. It's gapping up above the prior bar's high. I mean, I think Twitter could see 24 today, maybe even 24.50. Yep, and FINL, second day continuation on FINL. Beautiful, it closed beautifully. I'm a fool because usually when a stock closes like that, you want to hold some overnight. Okay, and I held it to the end of the day and I high-fived myself. But I should have held some overnight because it gapped up to $19. Most likely, guys, though, FINL will run to $19.50 and then start to fade. Okay, day 2 continuation on FINL. That's finish line. Alrighty, folks. Man, X also gapped up big. X gapping up 50 cents. Okay, guys, we got about 10, not even 6 minutes to the open. What about Micron, MU? MU gapping down, guys, MU. I was looking for another good gap down, so maybe MU. All right, guys. So Let's see how the market deals with the gap up. Guys, I love Apple too. I think if Apple triggers above 108, Apple's a screaming buy. Like, Facebook already triggered, guys, and Facebook is a long here. Those are for swing trades. Facebook is a daily buy setup. I actually held some of that overnight. Small, but 100 shares. Up $99 on that one. Guys, FCX is already fading a little bit. Guys, GoPro looks like it's gapping up too a little bit. It's a little thin GoPro, so you never know until it really opens. I got to send a quick email, guys. I'll come right on. It's 2 minutes to the open. Michael, you filled out all those reports? Those entitlement agreements?
I don't know. I filled out whatever you gave me.
Well, you didn't click through anything?
For Sterling?
Yeah. They usually have entitlement agreements.
I don't remember.
That means no. What's your user? It's RC.
RCLL019.
We know if it pops up. All right, guys. FCX coming back up pre-market. Made a nice little pre-market drop. Let me show it to you. Market just opened, everybody. Guys, Facebook getting ready to go. Okay, guys, please. What's that? Maya Rock? What? Oh, let's FireEye nothing. Facebook just, oh, FireEye started going. Holy, guys, I almost fell asleep waiting for this to go. FireEye's up. I'm green. Woo! All I want to be is green on my birthday. And Twitter's moving, guys. Twitter. All right. I accidentally bought OIH before instead of FireEye, so that's why I'm a little red, but. Yes, I do it too. All right, that got me green. Yep, FireEye doing good, guys. Hold on one second, guys. I have to be back. I have some issues going on here.
FireEye squeeze.
All right, guys. Made some more money on FireEye.
Wow, it's rocking.
Yeah, it's really going, guys. FireEye rocking.
Essential FireEye.
Guys, FireEye definitely getting squeezed today. Guys, you'll just see people piling on this. it'll probably get to the whole number. It doesn't usually get to like 2180 without getting close to 22. There goes FireEye, guys. Back up to 2190.
See that you're pushing that channel and see all the sales coming through. Yeah. Yeah, it's doing well so far, not gonna worry. It's a good product. Well, in our business, it's only as good, you're only as good as your last test,
People sending me quotes from This Is 40.
You guys will see us tomorrow.
All right, Mario.
Yeah. Any more moving today, Mike? We got an extra hand.
No problem, man. I'm okay. All right, guys, I'm probably just going to get out of this if it doesn't make another rally. I'm questioning Twitter as well for the day trade. And the market looks like it's ready to make another move up. Let's take a look at FCX. FCX, yeah, I mean, FCX still looks great. It's got a long way to go up since it had a long way to go down, since it went down far. No problem, John. You and I are doing the same thing, so I'll stop. I'll just go through them. Guys, I love FCX higher here. Just broke $7. Should get up to 750.
You like it here?
What?
FCX?
I like FCX. Usually when a stock breaks a whole number, it usually runs like 25 cents past, but $7 stocks, so maybe it goes 15 cents.
Yeah. I like it, obviously.
Larry? All right. Guys, FEYE, back to the highs. I don't know, guys. I'm having all kinds of issues today that just make no sense.
Before the body starts to break down.
You know, but I'm just losing orders. It's on. It's always great to joke with a guy who has orders that are disappearing. Guys, right now I can't sell anything. You know how that makes me upset? Hopefully this works. Okay, that worked, guys. Now it seems like ARCA and Edge is working, and the lamp and post aren't working.
FireEye going crazy.
Yep, FireEye, guys. Another leg up on FireEye. Guys, FireEye going higher. Larry, that doesn't mean you shouldn't get back in if you make a mistake. If the price hasn't changed or it's pulled back, that means you could still take the trade. I mean, I would consider the trade at the time that you're looking to take is what I'm saying. Because you messed up on the first one doesn't mean you can't correct it. Guys, watch Twitter here. Pulling back to the 5-minute high on Twitter. Did you ever get data, Michael?
Yeah. Well, we're up $1,000.
Oh, yeah? You should take it and just stop and tell them to increase your settings.
No, he's not going to increase it after a day.
Yeah, he will. They're greedy. Prop trading managers are all greedy. Say I would have been up 20.
I would have taken, I took 2,000 shares of FireEye. So maybe I would have taken 3, maybe 4.
Mm-hmm.
I just would have traded it differently. I wouldn't have, I probably would have sold half by now.
Yeah, I mean, I would sell it and take it, Michael, if I were you. Just
Sold 500.
I mean, I would get out and stop and say, okay, guys, I'm done for the day, and then trade on your other account.